I'm going to show you how to send out a Zinc check using Teamtailor. In Teamtailor, navigate to your jobs and select the relevant role. You will see that there are different stages of the hiring process. Triggers can be added, such as background screening. Simply click on Add Trigger and select Send Zinc Reference. You then need to select the package that you want to send out to the candidate, which can be fully customized within the Zinc platform. Once a trigger has been added, all you need to do is select on the candidate and move them to the background check section. This automatically notifies the candidate by email that they need to complete their Zinc check.